Everyone, today it's Ice King videos, and today this is the best day of my life. I am not kidding. So at my school, I am a very young kid who likes tech, and I have fixed hundreds and upon hundreds of laptops, from logging in issues and to system problems. So one day back in September 2020, I tried to fix this laptop. It just had a broken keyboard. It was on a desk, the IT department's desk. And guess what? They have given me this laptop for free. They have given me a £300 laptop for free. And guess what? It actually turns on and works. Look at this. For just fixing computers, I have received a laptop in over 2 years. Over 2 years, I guess. And they've said, it's for you. It's free. It's no longer a school laptop. I'm so happy because for all of these years ever, I've always wanted a Lenovo. A really fast performance ones. So I thought it was just a normal day of examining it and sending it back. I wrote this, that said it just needed to reinstall Windows. And then IT department said, it's for you, it's free. It's no longer a school laptop. So this is what happens if I boot into it. Just boots this. That's because there's no operating system on it. But the bad news is, key there doesn't work. Space key doesn't work. But to my luckily hope, there is actually some keys here. So I can actually browse it from here. Not only that, but I am very happy because I've always wanted a school laptop for free. Oh, pardon me, for free. There it is. After 10 years, and 2 years, I have received a laptop for free. So there is some downsides to this laptop. Number one is the keyboard is broken. It doesn't even work properly, so I will just use an old school keyboard. I don't know if the charger actually works. Look, it's actually been signed and tested, so it is a proper school laptop. And number two, Windows is not installed. And yes, I am really happy because I've been given a gift voucher for some of my prizes at school and many more. And my Christmas cards been won for that too. So this is the best day ever. I've really wanted one of this and I'm so happy to get my hands on a school computer. As anyways, I'm going to be doing a test run. So here we are. We've got a USB stick. So this USB stick has a Windows installation onto it, but sadly it's for my Acer. And I'm going to hook him in. Plug him in. Don't know if it's going to go in. And I'm going to hope it works, because I've been trying to get through it, and it's reading it. Yay! It's reading it. So as you can see, anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to Ice King videos and click the like. And I've been received a school laptop for free.